Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. Today you are going to be play Among Us. Among Us is a very popular game and a lot of people know it. But looks like we can't play that because nice my mouse is all over the place. So today we're actually going to be looking at how to create your actual Kahoot. As you know, in the last video, I taught you how to make a how to like basically the stuff and how to get Among Us hacks. So today I'm going to show you how I make my I'm going to show you how I make my stuff, okay? So, of course, we got to start off with this. I know this looks like a lot of work, but it's really not. You can ask funny questions, do whatever you want. So, is the fifth grade is the fifth grade. What can we say? Maybe we can say it's the fifth grade, like the fifth grade responsible for taking care of the children. Of course, every teacher is. But what I want to say is the fifth grade is ready the best grade in the school. Your options are yes, no, or maybe. Maybe would be the right answer because I don't actually know. Of course, teachers in the fifth grade would say it would be, but we don't know that for sure. Let's make this 1,000 points. We don't need to change anything. Go to quiz, and then ask another question. Is 1 plus 1 11? Yes, no, maybe. No would be the correct answer. Does 1, we're going to do the same question, but say, is it equal to? Plus 1 is 1 plus 1 2. Yes, should be the right answer. No, maybe. I'm making another one. Of course, it saves every single question you got done. Is the Earth in the middle of the solar system. I don't know how to spell solar or system, so calm down. Yes, which would be correct. No, or maybe. Fifth quiz. Because I don't know how to spell please. And thank you are polite manners. Yes be the right answer. No, or maybe. I'm saying yes, no, or maybe a lot of times. Calm down. The last question. Well, question before the last question. Well, this is true or false. So, is my no my YouTube channel is good? Don't know how to spell channel. False be the right answer. Is Don Old Duck better than Donald Trump? I don't care what you say. Yes is always the right answer. I don't care what you say. Sorry, everyone that likes Trump, but I don't care what you say. Yes is always going to be the right answer. Title Weird QEST that make my TikToks. No, I do not have TikToks. No, I do not have TikTok. Go on the For You page. Weird questions that make my TikTok go on the For You page. Now, teach. Actually, no, we're not gonna do that. Press done. Play test this Kahoot. And then this will pop up. Sorry if my humming is annoying. Let's start. Okay. So, as you know, this is how a normal game should play out. 5th grade is the best grade in school. You have yes, no, or maybe, as well as the player. If you pick maybe, that's the correct answer. Next. Is 1 plus 1 11? No. That's correct. Go on over. Is 1 plus 1 2? Yes, it's correct. Yes, it is. Click next, and let's go. Is the middle of the solar system? Yes. Please and thank you, polite manners. Of course, this is a yes. Next. True or false? My YouTube channel is good? That would be false answer. No. Streak. Last question. Is Donald Duck better than Donald Trump? Yes. And you are first place on the podium. Those are all the answers. If you want to find it, just look up this. When you ask your teacher to look up this, when you're playing Kahoot, and it's a normal Kahoot. It's a normal Kahoot label. And you are done, and it is all good. Right here, I already opened it. Now that that's done, you can do times and multiples, weird questions, funny true or false questions, Kahoot. These are all the things. I am Random Boy, and I will see you later.